Looking to ship a vehicle from Norway to the United States? Whether it's for relocation, resale, or a collector's import, this guide walks you through pricing, regulations, and the best transport options, fast and to the point. Importing a car from Norway to the US typically ranges from $2,700 to $6,000, depending on destination, vehicle type, and shipping method. Tip: deliver your car to the nearest US port to cut costs. Choose between two main transport options. Container shipping is safer and recommended if transporting personal items too. To legally import a car into the US from Norway, you'll need: vehicles must meet US safety, emissions, and bumper standards. Non-compliant vehicles risk being denied entry or sent back. Temporary import is valid for up to 12 months. No need to meet US emissions or safety standards. It's meant for display, testing, or repairs. Permanent imports, however, must conform to DOT EPA standards. Modifying non-compliant vehicles can be costly and is rarely guaranteed. For relocation, consider purchasing a US-made vehicle instead. Before leaving Norway, declare the vehicle for export at a customs office or through TVIN, the digital export system. Apply for a registration tax refund from the Norwegian Tax Administration. Refund depends on vehicle age, vehicle must be deregistered. Only do this if you're not returning it to Norway. To simplify your experience, A1 Auto Transport offers optional services. These come at an added cost but enhance safety and reduce hassle. Shipping your car from Norway to the US is easy when you know the steps. For expert help and transparent pricing, call 1-888-230-9116 or visit a1autotransport.com for a free quote. No obligation, no hassle.